Welcome and in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, this Range Rover Velar D200 Dynamic HSE with an eye-catching Hakuba Silver exterior complementing the black exterior pack. Also coming fitted with LED headlights, gloss black alloy wheels, keyless entry and privacy glass. This Range Rover Velar has a full service history as well as having its most recent service in October 2025. I'm now just opening up the power tailgate to show plenty of space for any luggage or shopping. Stepping inside the Velar now, we're just going to take a look at the electric window controls as well as the driver's seat memory function, Meridian sound system, and then come on up to that blind spot assist. This Velar also comes fitted with electric front seats as well as a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, a heated steering wheel and voice control. And then coming on up to that digital driver's display. Heading down to the centre console now, we've got the gear shift paddle as well as the extremely responsive 11.4-inch Pivi Diamond infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the rear camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Velar now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers. Also coming fitted with Isofix and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.